Hi guys, on this one we've got a stool, heart-shaped stool, which the leg is broken off. As you can see here, one of the legs is snapped off. So I'm going to go replacing it today. First thing we've got to do is remove the staples so we can get behind the where it's screwed together. So just going to carefully try to remove the staples for the lining. And now that I've removed part of the lining, got to remove the staples that's holding down the cover. And as you can see here, I've got most of it freed. That's the actual seat, sponge seat. So what I've got to do is drill a hole to show you the inside of here. So I've got to drill a hole right through this and put a couple of screws into it. Just take the heart-shaped sponge out for a minute, and here you can see I'm just drilling a hole through. I'm going to put 2 screws to hold the legs in before it was just glued in, and that's why it snapped off. And I'm just drilling the other hole here. So what I've got to do is clear the debris from where it's broken off before and screw it back together. So all I'm going to do is drill a pilot hole through the actual leg which broke off. Just a couple of pilot holes in there. And then I'm just going to make a little countersunk hole to hide the screw heads. And as you can see here, I'm just putting the 2 screws in. And just put the other screw in here. The leg was just glued on from new, which is all fair and well, but this stool gets leaned on by quite a bit by the kids, and that's how the leg broke. So I've just reinforced it, and now I'm just putting the sponge cover back in. And then just a matter of fitting the cover back over. And once I've stretched the cover over, all I've got to do is staple it back down. This stool was bought from Dunelm a couple of years ago. And now that I've stapled this cover down, all I've got to do is staple this lining over it now. And And it's just stapling it down. And what I've done to reinforce it, I put 2 screws in each of the legs, even the ones that weren't broken, because they would eventually go. And like I said here, I'm just going to finish off stapling down the lining. And that pretty much concludes. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.